This is Amar Ashok Jaju from Nation Next, and today we are in a dialogue with the face behind Indian Ocean, Mr. Rahul Ram. The question that I wanted to ask you is, Rahul Ram to viewers at large is the only face of Indian Ocean. To viewers at large, I'm talking about. What would you like to tell the viewers and the listeners more about Indian Ocean as a band?
So Indian Ocean is a collective. Indian Ocean is not any one person, and by and large, we like the fact that Indian Ocean is known as Indian Ocean.
Okay.
It's not known by this name or that name or that name. It just so happens that because I happen to do all the talking on stage, people sometimes think that maybe I am the man behind the band. Like you said, aisa kuch nahi hai. We have no leaders, thank God. So we are a relatively democratic band. और हम लोग जब संगीत बजाते हैं, बनाते हैं, साथ में मिलके बैठ के एक कमरे में, we make music like that, and everybody's inputs gets taken in, and a common thing is reached. So that's the way Indian Ocean functions as a band. There is no leader. Everybody does what they're good at. For example, when we go into a recording studio, Amit Kilan takes over. He does most of the sitting with the guy who's doing the mixing, or when we're doing our own stuff, let's say we are sometimes using the computer in our own practice place, he's the one who knows those things the most. So अलग-अलग चीजों में अलग-अलग लोगों की expertise है और वो लोग वो निभाते हैं. Like all the, like the finances, etc. Amit is much more involved in that than say I am. And rest, of course, we have managers who take care of most of the dirty work.
Sir, how did Indian Ocean come into being, and why did you name it Indian Ocean?
Yeah, why we named it Indian Ocean? There is no why. I actually was not one of the original members of Indian Ocean. I joined a year after the band was formed. So when the band was formed, I was not there, and they were discussing जैसे होता है ना नामकरण टाइप क्या नाम रखे बच्चे का. तो तब सुष्मित जो हमारे गिटार प्लेयर थे, हाँ सुष्मित सेन, उनके पिताजी ने सजेस्ट किया इंडियन ओशन. ऐसे ही पता नहीं क्यों, और सबने सुनते ही बोला कि हाँ यार ये है नाम, और तब से यही नाम है. उसमें ना डिस्कशन था, ना उसमें कोई खास दिमाग किसी ने लगाया. उनके दिमाग में आया, उन्होंने बोल दिया, सबने सुन लिया और अच्छा लग गया.
Sir, you are a very highly qualified person from topmost institutions in India and abroad. After doing your bachelor's degree in chemistry from St. Stephen's, Delhi, you did your MSc from IIT Kanpur, then you did your PhD from Cornell University. In those times, it must be a taboo for such an academically strong person to get into music. Did you feel that it was a huge risk to get into music after being so academically sound?
Oh, risk. रिस्क के बारे में तो मैंने सोचा ही नहीं. एक्चुअली मैं सच बताऊं, मैंने पहली चीज़ की जब मैं कॉर्नेल से वापस आया, is that I joined the Narmada Bachao Andolan. That is a risk. Okay. And I spent 5 years with the Andolan, a lot of times in the villages, a lot of times doing जो भी करना पड़ता है, बहुत कुछ करना पड़ता है, थोड़ा रिसर्च, थोड़ा ये, थोड़ा वो, थोड़ा प्रेस का काम. But music, I actually started. I met some friends from college who were playing. And I started playing with them actually as a means of earning some money, because when you work with something like Narmada Andolan, there is no money. So I was unemployed and poor postgraduate. And so I started playing music with a bunch of people I used to play with in college. And that was all like other people's music and rock and things like that. And then Shushmit asked me that I got a band. I was surprised because Shushmit is from my school. But
which school is that, sir?
St. Xavier's Delhi.
St. Xavier's Delhi.
Yeah. So I had no idea that he used to play guitar. But then I went to his house and I heard something that recorded with him, and I liked it very much, and I started practicing with him mainly the first few months, because band उन दिनों मिलता ही नहीं था. मतलब इंडियन ओशन की ये स्थिति थी कि हमारे एग्जिस्टेंस के पहले 5 साल में कुल 7 कॉन्सर्ट किए हैं. ठीक है. और I think we spent more money rehearsing, going to rehearsal and coming back than we ever earned. So it was a terrible career option, I think. And but we were having fun and we enjoyed the music, so we kept it. We had no idea कहाँ तक जाएगा. We had no idea क्या होगा. We know that in the 3rd year of the band's formation, an album was recorded. It took a whole year to release after recording. And nothing really happened. They said you're the biggest selling band, but the biggest selling band at that time meant 40,000 cassettes. Okay. So we still had no idea. In the year after, we thought कि album release हो गया, अब हो गया नहीं हो गया, कुछ नहीं हुआ. ऐसा होता है. And for all people who want to follow their passion, they have to be used to a lot of this happening all the time. कि ऐसे कम ही होता है. आप अगर गलती से आप सोचते हैं कि जो इंडियन आइडल या किसी चीज़ पे आते हैं और गाते हैं, वो ऐसे आके नहीं गाते. उनके पीछे 10-10, 15-15 साल का रियाज है. उनके पीछे बहुत काम है, उनके पीछे फैमिली का सपोर्ट है, उनके पीछे बहुत कुछ है. और आप nobody should think that this is what happens. There is no easy money to be made in life, let me assure you, which is legitimate. Illegitimately, you might think you can make lots of easy money. Even that's not easy, because illegitimate money ultimately will catch you in the end. Okay, it will come back and bite you in the butt. So, if you want to do something that you're passionate about, I think you have to have 2 or 3 things. एक तो थोड़ी reality check होनी चाहिए कि मैं सचिन तेंदुलकर बन जाऊंगा, नहीं होता है. सचिन तेंदुलकर एक ही होता है. या मैं शाहरुख खान बन जाऊंगा, ऐसा चांस कम होता है. प्लस तुम्हें जानना पड़ेगा कि तुम्हारे अंदर कैपेबिलिटी कितनी है. एक तो टैलेंट की, दूसरी सहन शक्ति कितनी है, तीसरी तुम लंबे रेस के घोड़े हो के नहीं. ये सब चीज़ें तुम्हें सोचनी पड़ती हैं. इसलिए मैं तो कहता हूँ टू मोस्ट यंग पीपल, सी यू सेड आई टुक अ रिस्क बट आई हैड PhD, सो एक्चुअली आई हैड नो रिस्क. इफ दिस डिडंट वर्क आउट, I would get a job somewhere, all right? Whereas somebody who wants to not go to college and do music instead, I always tell them, यार एक basic BA डिग्री तो ले लो, ताकि नहीं हुआ. जैसे मान लो जो क्रिकेट खेलते हैं बहुत अच्छा स्कूल कॉलेज में, ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता ना हर अच्छा प्लेयर इंडिया टीम या IPL या कुछ भी ज्वाइन करेगा. तो वो क्या करेगा? कुछ तो करेगा ना. इसलिए बेसिक डिग्री होनी चाहिए. आई नो इट साउंड्स वेरी ओल्ड फैशन, बुढ़ा बात कर रहा है, मगर मैं आपको सच बता रहा हूँ कि बुढ़ा बात कर तो रहा है, मगर आपके हक में बात कर रहा है और आपके हित में बात कर रहा है.
So there are a lot of students who, जैसे आपने बताया, there are a lot of students who may be very, who may be very extremely talented and in performing arts, and they may be good at their studies as well. But they will always feel that I should be studying instead of performing arts. So what would you say to those students who are scared of taking that risk, who are scared of taking the leap of faith?
यार स्केर्ड भी नहीं होता है. कुछ तो होता है कि अपने पेरेंट्स की प्रेशर होती है. लोग डरते हैं कि पेरेंट्स माँ बाप क्या बोलेंगे. दूसरा, और उन्हें कभी कभी लगता है कि माँ बाप मेरे खिलाफ जा रहे हैं या मेरे को वो बनना नहीं चाहते जो मैं बनना चाहता हूँ. बट एक्चुअली माँ बाप डू इट आउट ऑफ फियर फॉर देयर चाइल्ड कि यार मेरा बच्चा बेकार हो जाएगा, बर्बाद हो जाएगा. So they don't hate you, they're actually doing it more out of love than out of anything else. So it seems when you're 17 that they don't understand what you're doing. Try and persuade them, and sometimes you might say कि allow me to take a year or 2 years. They don't know. क्योंकि आजकल वो नहीं है कि आपने BA के बाद 2 साल अगर नहीं किया नौकरी तो आप खत्म हो जाओगे. ऐसा नहीं है. कहीं एवेन्यूज बहुत बढ़ गई हैं और जो क्रिएटिव पीपल होते हैं वो वैसे ही क्रिएटिव होते हैं, उनको वैसे ही नौकरी मिल जाती है दूसरी चीज़ों में भी. तो कोशिश कीजिए ज़रूर, क्योंकि नहीं तो 40 साल की उम्र पे जाकर पछताओगे कि यार अगर मैं उस टाइम पे ये कर देता. ये होता है, सबके साथ होता है. और कुछ लोगों को नहीं बनना चाहिए, जिनमें वो नहीं है, जिनमें वो मैं डिफाइन करना, जिनमें लाइक आई सेड सहन शक्ति नहीं है, जिनमें मे बी सोसाइटी के ताने खाने की एबिलिटी नहीं है. क्योंकि सोसाइटी वाले हमेशा पालेंगे. और आप ये देखोगे कि पेरेंट्स नहीं, पर पेरेंट्स ताऊ की बीवी का भाई तुम्हारे ऊपर टिप्पणी लगाएगा. भाई है कौन वो? उसको राइट किसने दिए टिप्पणी लगाने के? It's so stupid that it's not our immediate family, but the extended family who think that they somehow have a right to comment on you. You don't have a right to comment on them. क्लर्क बना हुआ बैंक में बेकार नहीं बोलते ना. That is disrespect. But they don't respect you or your day because they have the assumption that because you're young, you don't know what you're doing. You should ignore by and large all of that. कि जो अपने आप को आपके वेल विशर्स कहते हैं, वेरी ऑफन आपके वेल विशर्स नहीं होते हैं, वो अपनी दोस्त जमा करते हैं. तो उसको रेजिस्ट करने की शक्ति होनी चाहिए आपने. अब जैसे देखिए ना, आप लोग जर्नलिज्म कर रहे हो. 15 साल पहले अगर आप कहते कि मेरे को जर्नलिज्म करना काम, तो आपके पेरेंट्स कहते पागल हो, क्या कर रहे हो यार, तुम डॉक्टर बन जाओ या इंजीनियर बन जाओ या कंप्यूटर में चले जाओ। 3 तो चीज़ें होती है मिडिल क्लास के पास, है या तो सीए भी अमीर ही करते हैं, गरीब सीए तो मैंने कम देखे क्योंकि सीए बनने की इच्छा ही तब आती है जब आपका फैमिली कुछ बिजनेस कर रहा हो या कुछ कर रहा हो तो आइडिया आता है। मगर जो मान लो बिल्कुल साधारण मिडिल क्लास के हैं जिनके पिताजी या बैंक में हैं या टीचर है या कुछ भी है, उनके पेरेंट्स के दिमाग में उस जनरेशन का वो प्रॉब्लम रहता है कि जी सरकारी नौकरी और फिक्स नौकरी ही सिक्योरिटी है। ये होता है ना कि इफ यू नोटिस, आई डोंट थिंक योर पेरेंट्स वुड हैव चेंज्ड जॉब्स वेरी ऑफन, you know, whereas today people change jobs every 2-3 years. It's more the done thing than not. There people are scared to shift. अब वो फिर छोड़ दो आप, क्योंकि आज इंडिया में वो नहीं है जो होता था। और इसलिए मेरे को रोना आता जब लोग रिजर्वेशन के लिए नौकरी, सरकारी नौकरी, अरे छोड़ो ना यार, तुम लाखों लाख लोग हो, तुम 100 सरकारी नौकरियों के लिए अपने बच्चों को बर्बाद कर रहे हो, क्या फायदा? Because there is way more scope outside government job than there is within the government job. Government job तो ये है कि पैसे मिलेंगे बिना काम करने। This is still the assumption of all of India that a government job means that you don't have to work, and that's one of the worst things you can assume, that because that means you don't care about the way your country is.
So your folks at home, were they supportive of?
My folks at home, look, my parents were both teachers, and मेहनत कर ली, टीचर के लायक पढ़ाई तो कर ली मैंने। उसके बाद जब पीएचडी खत्म हो जाता तो बंदे की उम्र, मेरी उम्र तो जब मैंने पीएचडी खत्म की थी मेरी उम्र I was 27. My father sometimes said, यहाँ नौकरी है, वहाँ नौकरी है, मैंने कहा छोड़ो पापा नहीं होगा। तो उन्होंने खास मेरे को कुछ कहा नहीं, बट वही मेरी मौसी की बेटी, तू तो अपना जिंदगी बर्बाद की। इनफैक्ट इज अ क्लासिक, आई टेल यू दिस स्टोरी। मौसी की बेटी है, माय नीस, one day something had happened, yeah, some function, I was dropping her home, and she suddenly turns to me and says, Mama, you have ruined your life. मैंने कहा यार, अब 13-14 साल की बच्ची मामा यू हैव रूइंड योर लाइफ खुद के दिमाग से तो नहीं निकालेंगे, उसके घर में ये बातें चल रही होंगी कि यू हैव रूइंड योर लाइफ। तो मैंने कहा बट आई एम हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ फन। तो उसको किसी ने बताया नहीं था कि फन होना चाहिए। Nobody had told her that life can also be about having fun. It doesn't have to be about getting a job. It doesn't have to be about getting a car or owning things. It can just be fun. And I was really poor at that time, and all my friends were earning more than me. But my friends were very supportive. I think partly inside they were also saying, यार ये कर रहा है यार, हमसे भी हो जाता। पर ठीक है, कर रहा है तो चलो इसको सपोर्ट करते हैं। ऐसे सपोर्ट बहुत मिलता है दोस्तों से, जो देखते हैं कि चल इस बंदे को सपोर्ट कर लो। तो वही पेरेंट्स की बात मत सुना करो, और मतलब पेरेंट्स तो नहीं, पर इधर से होगी।
Sir, you are a bass guitarist and you sing along as well. If I'm not wrong, isn't it very difficult to sing along when you are playing a bass guitar?
Some things are difficult. When you are playing a very complicated linear note pattern over which you have to sing a very different melody, it's not that easy. So actually, in performance, you'll find sometimes that I will play a simpler bass line in order to be able to sing. When I'm singing, when I'm not singing, then I can do what I want.
So what did you pick up earlier? I mean, did you pick up bass guitar as a hobby or did you pick up singing as a
hobby? Bass guitar कैसे हो सकता है यार? बच्चा 3 साल का जो गाता है तो bass guitar तो होता ही है। हाँ, गिटार।
But who is your favorite? Rahul Ram as a bass guitarist or Rahul Ram as a singer?
हाँ ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। I am my favorite. I mean, in the sense that see, these are all aspects of you. Like I nowadays also do something called Acid Democracy. I do a stand-up comedy show with these 2 people. Sanjay Rajora and Varun Grover, and we do political satire. Political satire में भी मेरे को बहुत मजा आता है। वहाँ पे मेरी म्यूजिकल एबिलिटीज बहुत कम टेस्ट होती हैं, क्योंकि हम ज़्यादातर पुराने हिंदी फिल्मी गानों के व्यंग भरे वर्षन बनाते हैं, तो उसमें भी मजा है। मैं जब रिसर्च कर रहा था टॉक्सिकोलॉजी में, तब भी मुझे मजा आ रहा था। मैं जब नर्मदा आंदोलन में था, काम कर रहा था, तब भी मुझे मजा आ रहा था। So these are all different aspects of one's personality, and होते रहता है।
So now you come across as a person who believes in having a lot of fun.
Yes.
And, is it safe to say that Rahul Ram has no regrets in life? He has done whatever he wanted to do.
No. ऐसे तो हो ही नहीं सकता ना. One always has regrets. Like I tell you one bizarre regret I have is that when I went to the US to study, I didn't stay with Americans. I stayed with Indians all 4 years. And maybe I lost out on staying with somebody is very different because you get a completely different view of the culture from their viewpoint. Maybe I would have traveled more maybe if I had more money when I was younger, I would have done more things. Those kind of regrets होते रहते हैं, छोटे-छोटे regret होते रहते हैं और होने भी चाहिए क्योंकि अगर सब कुछ मिल जाए ना आपको तो आप बड़े arrogant से आदमी बन जाओगे मुझे लगता है. Plus people who become successful very fast also face that same problem of arrogance, and then when things go wrong, then it really goes wrong. So it's better to be. मैं तो ये कहता हूँ कि हम लोग musician लोग को ना इतनी लातें पड़ती हैं अपनी जिंदगी में कि हम लोग अपने expectation band को narrow कर देते हैं. बहुत ज़्यादा खुश भी मत हो, बहुत ज़्यादा उदास भी मत हो. But high standards and low expectations. That's how I work. अपने standard ऊंचे रखो. Expect मत करो कि बहुत कुछ हो जाएगा.
So coming to that, I mean, you have been Indian Ocean has been associated with Bollywood for a long time. There was Black Friday, there was Satyagraha, and then
People
there came People Live, and there came Masaan as well. But it has not been very consistent. I mean, there has been a gap of 2 years, 3 years. Then
2-3 नहीं बहुत.
So is it a conscious decision or I mean?
नहीं हम किसको मना करते हैं? हमने एक दो को मना किया है. अपन like there are some filmmakers who want wall-to-wall carpeting of background music. शुरू से अंत तक background music बजते रहे और वो पैसे भी नहीं देते हैं. तो उन्होंने फोन किया था एक बार कि उनके ऑफिस से कि आप इसके लिए बैकग्राउंड sorry. मगर basically we do music for people who come and ask us. Nobody asks us. That's the truth.
Yeah, but Masaan's music has done quite well, and the video was very lovely.
Nobody has asked us after Masaan to do music for any Hindi film.
Okay.
Yeah.
But are you expecting that?
I told you, no, low expectation. होगा नहीं.
Isn't it sad? I mean, the Masaan as a movie was a very lovely movie. The music was very amazing, and if there are no takers to music like to some soothing music like this, isn't it a very sad state of affair?
No, because Bollywood works on its own funny compulsions. Bollywood के compulsion ये है कि भाई तू क्या तूने मारी एंट्री या देखो मुझे घंटियाँ. Look, it works. Let's not beat around the bush. Every single shadi in the 2 years after that song came out was playing that damn song. Okay, it does wonders for the film's popularity, etc., etc. And they want people who are versatile, who can make music of this sort and that sort and that sort and that sort. I don't think we are the people for that. The only people who like the kind of music we do and who want to specifically come to us. Otherwise, क्या होगा मेरे ख्याल बॉलीवुड में ट्रेंड अब धीरे धीरे आने वाला है. एक म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर नहीं रहेगा फिल्म में. एक से ये गाना ले लेंगे, दूसरे से वो गाना ले लेंगे.
I think Satyagraha had 4. I think
Satyagraha had 4. धीरे धीरे ये ट्रेंड बढ़ रहा है. प्लस इंडीज जो म्यूजिक बना रहे हैं, इंडिपेंडेंट लोग हम जैसे, उनसे लोग जाके कहते हैं यार वो वाला गाना दे दो या ये वाला गाना दे दो, क्योंकि उसमें क्या है कि गाना बन चुका है. आपका कॉस्ट ही नहीं है, रिकॉर्डिंग कॉस्ट नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. बना बनाया गाना है, ले लो और पे सम मनी. एंड I think that's going to be a trend like it is in Hollywood. In Hollywood, the songs you will see, if at the end when you see the credits rolling, you will always see some 20 songs at the back. That's not to say the background score is still done by one man, but the songs on which Bollywood thrives may be now done by a variety of people.
So, I read somewhere that you're popularly called as Logic Baba in your band, and but it's a general notion that artists are not very rational people. So is it easy to be a rational artist?
Yeah. Why not?
Can you share an anecdote with me why the people popularly call you Logic Baba? I mean, why is that?
Okay, I'll tell you. So Shankar, बुरा मत मानना. So जब मैं ये सारे गाँव अटैच कर रहा था, so Shankar and Sajid Wali. So Shankar and I were sitting next to each other almost all through. And Shankar had started his academy in those days, and he said, yeah, academy started, go through this thing and tell me what you think. So I was just sharing. So I just read it and it said something across 45 time zones. So I told Shankar, everything is beautiful, ये गलती तू हटा दे. He said, गलती मतलब? I said, यार 45 time zones है ही नहीं. There are not 45 time zones in the world. So he said, what are you saying? I said, yeah man, Shankar, think about it. ना 24 घंटे हैं. उससे ज़्यादा क्या है? इंडिया हाफ एन आवर ये है, नेपाल 15 मिनट वो है. 5-10 और लगा ले ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. 30, 32, 33 होंगे, 45 हो ही नहीं सकते. जैसे मैं मुझे कहता हूँ यार, तो अगले हफ्ते हम जब मिले अगले शूट के लिए, hey, you were right, macha. I told those guys, they made an error. They thought, that in Canada up there and in Texas down here is different time zones. It's not. Time zone is like this. So that's an example of just.
But who gave this name, this Logic Baba?
अरे ऐसे ही वो तो बात कर रहे हैं.
Sir, apart from, I'm pretty sure you're mostly into music, but apart from, if you're not playing music, if you're not performing, what else do you do?
I'm a very lazy man. I tell you, I waste, please don't do like I do. I waste hours of my time playing very bad, boring solitaire on the computer and Sudoku on the computer. But I like to read and I sometimes like to cook.
Okay, you cook as well?
Yeah.
And tell us something about your personal life as well. I mean, your fans would be wanting to know.
क्या मतलब like what?
I mean, your family and.
मेरे घर में 5 कुत्ते हैं, जो कि रास्ते के कुत्ते हैं.
अच्छा.
मेरी बीवी रास्तों के कुत्तों के साथ काम करती है. She works with street dogs.
Okay.
So my house has 5 resident street dogs and now suddenly a cat. And plus we keep getting वो फोन आता है, उस पे गाड़ी चढ़ गई, उस पे ये हो गया, तो धर्मशाला टाइप है कुत्तों के लिए. और हॉस्पिटल भी है, क्योंकि वहाँ पे कभी ड्रिप चल रहा है तो किसी को इंजेक्शन लग रहा है, तो ये हो रहा है, तो वो हो रहा है, वो भी चलता रहता है मेरे घर में.
ठीक है सर, I think that would be all. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.